Hi, everybody, and welcome to another Funded Trader of Trade Pool. Today, Jose is with me. How are you doing, buddy? Thanks for coming to this interview.
Thank you.
Okay, cool. So let's dive right to it. Jose, you passed the challenge of the ultimate buying power, right?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
correct.
So $260,000 of buying power. For those of you not familiar with it, you need to reach a certain goals, stay within risk parameters. Jose did that. It's not your first account, right?
Yeah, it's the second one.
So let's talk about this one for a second. What's the difference between the one that you just passed, the ultimate, comparing to the previous one that you failed?
Yeah, I used the first one to have a touch with the reality of managing not just a demo account, managing some not real money, but at least an evaluation, something you have to lose. You have you are not just managing numbers. You have something to lose. And with the second account, it's like a more serious business, and yeah, that's all.
Okay, so the first one was just tryout basically, and then it got serious, as you say.
Yeah, yeah.
How do you feel? Go ahead.
No, I was just going to say that I have found that trading with a demo account and with a valuation account, like the mindset is quite different.
Yeah, exactly. This is what I was about to ask you. What's the difference between trading your own capital, right, when you're trading with your broker account, comparing to trading with Trader Pool?
Uh, a good question. Trading your capital is very stressful, I think, because you are trading some money that you have spent a lot of time, months or years to earn. The mindset for that is you have to be very strong for that.
Right now, do you have an account with a broker?
Yeah, yeah. I usually use the Hero.
Okay. And do you also trade with big numbers like $260,000, or is it?
I usually trade with around 100,000, but
Okay.
for trading with the broker, I usually trade. I'm a position trader.
So more of a swing instead of day trading.
Exactly.
Okay. How long you been doing that? How long you been trading?
8 years.
Okay. So that's enough experience, to gather it and understand how to pass the challenge, of course. And
Mm.
let's look at the account. I will share my screen for a second for the guys at home that maybe it's your first time. We have each trader as his own dashboard, and you can see all the stats, all the data that you need.
Mm.
Let's do this. Alrighty, so you can see the dashboard of Jose that passed the evaluation, reached the target, as you can see. How long it took you to pass it? Interesting to see, from June 4th, and now it's July 2nd, and you passed it yesterday, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
so almost a month. So that's also very great. But let's talk a little bit about the chart that we see here, because you had those ups and downs. You almost reached the target, dropped down again. Let's talk a little bit about that. What happened, mentally and technically, when you reached that moment of, let's say, halfway, $6,000, and then dropped all the way down almost to 0 point?
I don't remember exactly that drop down. I think it was due to some extreme volatility that I was not expecting that time. About the second drop,
Yeah.
the last week I had a. I don't know exactly what happened, but I had a bad week. Sometimes happen. I started and finished the week with some losses. I think on Wednesday I recovered a bit. And yeah, that was partially because mentally, because I was very stressed with my job last week, and I think that affected me a bit. And also last week I saw some volatility. That took me a bit by surprise.
Yeah, so definitely something that I see other traders experience is that when you have something outside of the trading world that's going on, it will immediately going to affect your trading. So a job, like you said, or guys that end their relationship with their friends and other stuff like that, that will immediately impact your trading. Let's see what you do. So you usually trade the big names, right? Nvidia, Amazon. Tell me a little bit about the trading style. What are you looking for? What is it that Nvidia, Apple, and Amazon give you comparing to other stocks?
I think those stocks are volatile enough to offer good trades. Also, I'm software engineer, so I'm quite used to those companies. I'm used for the last 8 years. I have been trading with tech stocks mainly, and that's basically the reason.
So what are you looking for? What's the strategy? The idea, like the setups that you're looking for as well?
I usually check for divergences using RSI. I try to spot some reversals. Also, I use moving averages and VWAP. I usually also check for value gaps.
Do you use any platform besides Tradepool for scanning or for historical analysis, seasonality?
Not especially. I use investing.com to check the news.
Okay.
And yeah, I use a bit TradingView, but it offers almost the same information.
Amazing. And so it's the first time you got funded, right? First. Okay.
Yeah.
So it's going to be definitely interesting to see you start your funded account. Interesting to see how you're going to react. Do you have a plan for this? You're going to start small, building a cushion. Do you have anything that you like a roadmap that you prepared?
Mainly, exactly as you have said, building a cushion.
Okay. So starting small, building that cushion. That's obviously super important when it comes to trading. One of the stuff that I experienced, obviously myself for many years, was the fact that if you control that risk from the beginning and actually start even the day, if you will start the day slow and build it, obviously also for specific trades, or if you start and build that trade, you will get more confidence continuing to trade it, and also the success rate will increase dramatically. So definitely stick to that. And it's amazing. I wish you all the best, Jose, and thanks so much for everything that you shared. Anything you want to give, like a tip for the traders that listening right now and want to pass the evaluation?
I will say the most important thing is the risk management. The risk management is everything on trading.
Yeah. Do you think trading with Tradepool will give you more success rate, increase your chances to become profitable?
Yeah, totally. Also, talking about risk management, having the daily pause and something like that could save you sometimes that you are like obsessed in a day. You have a bad day and you are obsessed with changing that. But yeah, we have to know when we have to stop and just say, okay, I will continue tomorrow.
Yeah, exactly.
That's the key thing.
Sounds good, Jose. So thanks so much for sharing that. guys at home that listening, if you're not with Tradepool, come join us, tradepool.com. You start your evaluation. If you pass it, you get funded, as Jose just did, and we split the profit. Thanks, Jose. Good luck. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Thank you.